Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips. Today is Thursday, it's September 1st of 2022, so happy September everyone. I've got just a couple of updates that I wanted to let you know about. Tomorrow I'm going to go home, so you won't have to keep having updates from the park, and I will do a better job for you, but there's a few things that I think you really need to know about today. So the first thing is if you are someone that has been waiting and hoping to be able to go ahead and pick up any of the cruise line stock, I know that Princess Cruises does a onboard credit if you own 100 shares of Carnival Corporation stock, and Carnival Cruise Line does it as well. And so if you own that 100 shares and you go on a sailing that is 6 nights or less, you get $50 onboard credit for the cabin. If you go for, let's see, 7 to 13 nights, you get $100 of onboard credit. And if you are on a sailing that's 14 nights or longer and you own that 100 shares, you get $250 of onboard credit, which that is not shabby. And so when I was just looking, it was like about $9.20 a share. I know that when we bought ours a few years ago, the first 100 that we bought, it was like 40 something. The 52-week high this year for Carnival Corporation was 27 something. And so I am not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to buy or sell, anything like that, but I'm just putting that out there so that if you are someone that was waiting for the price to dip more so that you could do it, and I don't know if the end is in sight. I don't know how long it's going to take on that. The other thing, and the reason that it's down is, you know, if you've been following anything today, the government bond rate hit the highest it's been in 15 years. And so, you know what that does to the stock market. That's never good. And so also, I wanted to tell you Royal Caribbean, they do a shareholder benefit as well. And their stock, I think, is around $42 a share today, and their 52-week high was 93. And I know all of the cruise lines hold a lot of debt because of COVID. And it's just going to be interesting to see how things go. But you know what? Bookings are really, really strong. Bookings are going very well. And I know that all of the CEOs of the cruise lines are very optimistic. And so just wanted to put that out there and let you know. The other thing that I wanted to let you know about is Royal Caribbean, effective September 7th of 2022, they are increasing their gratuities. For the regular cabin right now, it is $14.50 per person per day, and it is going to go to $16 a day. And so I would watch, maybe I'm wondering if Princess is going to make that move as well soon too. It's been a while since they increased their gratuities. And for your regular standard stateroom on Princess, it is also it's $14.50 a day. And if you're in a suite, it's $15.50 a day per person. So we will be watching for any changes on that, and I will keep you up to date. Now, a couple of questions for y'all. I've got someone that's going to be sailing on the Grand Princess soon, and we've not had any updates on the Grand Princess lately. So if you have sailed on her recently, let us know. The only things I hear about the Grand is that things are going really well, and it's been wonderful. Also, I've got someone that would like to know if you come down with COVID and you have to go into quarantine while you're on the cruise ship, how does that work? My experience, well, I haven't experienced it, but from what I have heard is they put you in what it says in their protocols. They put you in a cabin to quarantine, and then you'll be tested. I believe it's after 5 days now, since the CDC requirements have changed, and you can go ahead, if you don't have any symptoms, you can go ahead and get back to your cruise. If anyone has experienced anything else different, would you please just let us know, because I think it will help inform everyone. And we've got some Let's Go family members who are a little bit worried about it for some upcoming cruises. I apologize for the background noise. You all are wonderful. Leave any questions down below, any comments, anything that you've got to share. We would love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It makes you a member of our Let's Go family. It's entirely free. It just helps you stay up to date on when we put videos out. Once again, sorry for the noise, and if you appreciate these updates, please give us this video a thumbs up. I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.